for makeup. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. It means a lot to me. Well, today's video, I'm super ecstatic about it because it is on a product that has received so much buzz on the internet. It is quite possibly going to be the most effective yet inexpensive whitening product on the market, and it is on the Kojie San Skin Lightening Acid Soap. So I'm gonna take you on a journey. I ordered this product online. I'm gonna open it, give you my first impression, test it out on my arm, this dark spot underneath my arm, as well as my face because I have some dark spots, acne scars, blemishes, imperfections, you name it, on my cheeks. I'm gonna remove my makeup first, of course. So if you wanna go on this journey with me, please keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you soon. Let's start. Before we start, a little bit about this secret ingredient in there. There's a blend of white ingredients in there. One of the most important ingredients is kojic acid, and Dr.Oz has actually talked about this on his show and on his site. He's talked about how it helps with brown spots and dark spots, and Dr.Oz says it, I have to try it. So that's one thing that I heard about it. Another thing I heard about it is that it has coconut oil, so it's quite hydrating and nourishing for the skin. And this soap can be used on the body as well as the face. 2 in 1. That's great. Why not, right? Third thing I heard about it is that it actually originated from Japan, where they were trying to make some, I guess, Japanese wine with rice. So it's discovered in Japan while processing rice for Japanese wine. Really interesting. Yeah, so those are the fun facts about this product. If you want to know what this product is for, it has a large array of functions and effectiveness on acne, on imperfections, dark spots, brown spots, age spots, and freckles, you name it. So on my face, I have, you can't see it now because I have makeup on, but I'll remove it later. But on my face, I have acne spots, brown spots, freckles, everything. And my underarm, I'm gonna use it too later on my underarms. There's some darkening in my underarms, even after I shave. So it would be great to test out the left side, under my arms, the left side with this product for a week and leave the right side of my arm untouched. And I'll compare the results with you later. So let's open up the package. There it is. Opening it. Okay. And that's what it looks like. Nice packaging. It's got a geisha on it. So that makes sense because it says here that kojic acid was discovered in Japan. It is a byproduct of koji, or malted rice, used in the production of rice wine. In cosmetic, kojic acid is popularly known for its remarkable whitening effect and antioxidant properties. Direction for use: for daily use on face and body. For optimal results, use Kojie San Body Lightening Lotion with SPF after bathing. So as for all whitening products, it is recommended by dermatologists to use it along with sunscreen. So the ingredients, the first ingredient is actually just coconut oil, then deionized water, sodium hydroxide, fragrance, kojic acid, that's the acid we were talking about, glycerin, aqua, xanthan gum, calprylyl glycol, and the next couple of things are just, I guess, coloring that they add on into the product. Yeah, so this is the one that I purchased. It comes in 2 pieces. Each piece is 135 grams. You can get them in a smaller format as well. I believe it's 70 grams, but the one that I purchased is 135 grams. It actually says it's made in the Philippines, and I've heard this is a really hot product in the Philippines. Open it up. Okay, this is the bar of soap. well packaged. You can smell it already. If you buy the one that is 135 grams, you will get an engraving of Kojic on it. And if you buy the smaller size, you will not get it. So just opening it up. Okay. Looks like a soap. The size is perfect. I wouldn't want my soap to be any smaller or any larger. If it's any smaller, it'll be hard to lather on the body, and if it's any bigger, you can't pinpoint the areas that you want to treat. Ooh, the smell is really nice. It's a citrusy smell, and I believe they are making it an orange scent, so I love the smell. Okay. Alright, so I prepared a bowl of water here, and I'm just gonna wet under my arm and apply this. I'm gonna lather it up first. I'm gonna apply it to treatment areas and then wait for 30 seconds. I'll let you know if I feel any burning, warmth, any uncomfortable sensation. So let's do that first. So before we do that, I'll show you my underarms here. It's a little dark, as you see, even after I shave. There's pigmentation and discoloration around the area. So let's warm it up. Wet my towel. Okay. That's good. Take the soap. Okay. I'm gonna apply a lot. Okay, that's good. Okay, so first of all, it lathers really easily. I do feel a tingly sensation. There is a little bit of heat. I'm gonna wait 30 seconds. Timer. Looks like soap. It's white. It's not a white lather. Yeah, it burned a little bit in the beginning, but it's starting to go away. Okay, that's 30 seconds. Okay. So now, I'm gonna just wipe it off. Ooh, get my mirror here. Okay, my hair out of the way. Okay, as you can see, a little wet here. As you can see, it's red. It looks a little red. But it's if I compare it to this one, it does look lighter. Okay. Yeah, it does look lighter. Interesting. It burned a little bit, but it's not overly uncomfortable, so okay. Now I'm gonna do it to my face and see if it reacts to my face the same way, if it'll burn as well. To remove one side of my makeup, I'm gonna use that Bioderma, my favorite makeup remover. It is gentle on the skin. Just to get you an idea, I actually have pretty sensitive skin, so I usually need to get products that are for sensitive skin. For those of you, it may not burn if you don't have sensitive skin, but I want to try it on my face. Okay, so just removing the makeup. Most of my acne scars are on my cheeks, and the pigmentation as well, so it'll be a good spot to test. I just want to see if my skin reacts to it. In the next 7 days, I will be obviously using the soap all over my face, so I don't get half of it, like one result and the other half completely no results. So yeah. So I remove my makeup, see all the acne scars, lots of redness, some dark spots as well. Okay, now let's use the soap. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. Use the other side of the soap. Wet my face so I can get a lather. Okay. Spread it a little bit. I really like the consistency of this soap. It works a lather really easily, and yeah, it's very smoothing. I'm just lathering into my skin. Another 30 seconds on the clock. Whoa, it pretty much disappeared into my skin. And actually, I'm starting to notice a little bit of tightness to my skin, but no tingly sensation, and it does not feel warm and doesn't burn. It just feels like it's tightening my skin. I also noticed that it's not as, 30 seconds is up, so I also noticed it's not as red as when I first removed it. Wow. Actually, that looks pretty good. I actually see some, let me feel it first. Feels pretty smooth as well. Okay, I really like how it feels on my cheeks. Much more than underneath my arms, because that one burned a little bit, this one not at all. And it instantly brightened the redness. Okay. So I'll keep using that. Overall, I like how easy it is to use this product. I like the size of it. I like the way it feels on my cheeks. It works, the lather, it's easy to achieve a good lather and easy to apply. It goes on smoothly, blends really well. I love it. Okay, let me come back to this. Hello everyone, welcome back. So that was my first impression on this skin whitening soap. This has been 20 minutes since I first tried it on. I want to update you on how my underarm and my face feels. My face feels fine. It was easy to rinse off, and I reapplied my makeup. And my underarms, as you can see, it's still a little bit red, but I don't feel the burning anymore. And I can see some white spots here, like it's getting a little lighter in this area. So just for information, I did shave today, so that could be also a possibility of why it stung a little bit more. I will use this soap every day for the next 7 days under my arm. I'll start with once a day, and then I'll make my way up to twice a day if I don't feel the burning sensation. And I'll update you on whether I still feel that burning sensation. Today is just, my skin might be a little sensitive from the razor, so I'll update you on that. As well, I'll be using the soap on my skin every day, the entire face. I'll have a before and after picture of before I started using this product and after I started using this product. So wait for the results in 7 days. But altogether, my first impression of this Kojie San Skin Lightening Soap is that it's quite affordable. I believe some areas you can get them for a couple of dollars, and even like 3 or 4 soap for $17, $15.95. I've seen that. So very affordable and very easy to use. It smells great. It's great size. I I like the instant result. It felt very smooth and tightening on my skin, and felt like it was doing something underneath the arm. But the real judgment will be after 7 days. That will be the moment of truth. Please subscribe and wait for that video, 7 days update. So stay tuned for my next video, because the next video will be the ultimate update of my face and the arm, underneath the arms, for the left side versus the right side. I can't wait to see the results. I am already falling in love with this product. There's another reason as to why you should watch the next video, because in the next video, one of my lucky subscribers will have a chance to win this soap. The details will be in my next video on how to enter. It's going to be quite easy, but I'll let you know how you can enter for this so you can try it at home. I had a really fun time making this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this answers a lot of questions about this hype that's been going on. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and also visit my blog at www.iformakeup.com. Be sure to check out my other videos as well. If you're interested in how I did this look, you can also write a comment, and I'll be happy to do this makeup look for you. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you in my update video. Bye!